This kind of data recovery is only after you've tried everything else at the software level. In this particular case, you have to get duplicate hardware so that you can exchange the data platter between the two and see whether or not you can recover the data off of the surviving platter. Before we break the seal on the drive, which again is a last resort, it's easier yet to try and see if the PC board that controls the drive can be exchanged. You have to have the right tools in order to do this, but if so, it's fairly simple to remove the PC board from the drive and exchange it with a similar one. That is, you have to make sure it's the same model so that the PC boards will be compatible. So again, you're going to burn two drives in this process. You need something like this, either a docking station, or you can use an external hard drive case and just pull the old drive out in order to see whether or not the system is working. And if the initial drive is not working, you can change the PC board and then test it to see if that's enough to fix the situation. I've done this before and it works some of the time. If the PC board is not enough and you actually have to change the drive, that gets really dicey because you have to be very careful not to get any fingerprints or anything on it. This drive here I'd already done an exchange with, and this was the bad part, so I'm using my fingers, but really you need to use gloves and or plastic tweezers to make sure you don't scratch it as you exchange the drive. You have to make sure that the platter fits back under the right pieces and that everything is aligned so that the head, after being parked, will come out correctly in order to run the drive. Again, I've done this before and it does work, but you have to be really careful in order to make everything function correctly. Once everything is replaced, you can give it a try, but no matter what, you're going to have to get rid of the drive after you've taken the data off of it, because it won't be good for long.